Thanks for watching Block Nation. I'm Drew. Let's get into our first topic. So blockchain startup Fold has created a web portal that will allow users to buy pizza with Bitcoin through the Lightning Network. So we've been seeing a lot of the Lightning Network in the news lately with Jack Dorsey of Twitter, now with this from this company, and it's going to allow more of a step towards mass adoption as Bitcoin and other cryptos as a big payment system. And if you kept an eye on Dominos here the past couple of years, they've really been incorporating technology with their various apps. Now they're jumping into kind of the crypto space, and they're letting this startup company Fold create a payment network for them using Bitcoin in the Lightning Network. And I think this is big because now we're just getting people more accustomed to buying every single day things with Bitcoin, and that'll eventually lead into other cryptos, I believe. So this is exciting news. They also linked up with a couple other companies in Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. So if you're a fan of the snacks like I am, you can use your Bitcoin and other cryptos soon to come. So check out their website. The company is called Fold, and they're working on a crypto payment system, and I think it's really something you want to pay attention to. Okay, so our next topic is Coinbase is in some serious trouble since one of their users happens to be a terrorist organization. And you know, one of the biggest knocks on crypto and Bitcoin is that people think it's going to be used for illegal activities. But in my opinion, all forms of currency, you know, whether it's digital, cash, whatever, is used in, you know, various illegal activities. And just because it's a blockchain doesn't mean that it's going to prevent it from happening. And this is unfortunate because there are United States laws from 1995, the FMLA, that protects from money laundering and terrorist activities through various payment channels. So Coinbase could be facing some serious issues if they can't get this straightened out, not to mention people from the Israeli government are threatening to sue them over this issue. Now, I think it is very important to note that the amount raised as of making this show was only about $2,500. So it wasn't like it was a highly successful campaign. I know that is money going to a criminal organization, but it's not like it was a tremendous amount of money. So hopefully Coinbase can get this settled out. But I don't think this is going to be a negative impact on crypto and Bitcoin overall, because this stuff goes on, unfortunately, with all forms of currency. Okay, so the last topic is we had the latest update from the SEC for the Bitcoin ETF proposed by NYSE ARCA. All right, and I guess I have to throw out there that they accompanied with Bitwise. So the SEC is on the clock. I think they have about 240 days to come up with approval or dismissal of the VanEck Bitcoin ETF. Last week, SEC Commissioner Jackson came out and said that he does believe eventually a Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved, and I can see this thing hopefully getting approved sooner than later, and I think it's going to be big for Bitcoin investors because it's going to increase the price of Bitcoin. Some people are saying that the liquidity isn't really going to be a biggest deal, and I, kind of go along with that. What I think is more important is going to expose more people who are long-term investors to Bitcoin, and creating that scarcity, that increased scarcity for Bitcoin is going to drive the price up. So if you're a Bitcoin holder, keep your eyes on this news, because if this ETF does get approved, as long as the fund's getting invested by investors like many of us believe it will, because as we saw with this past week, Morgan Creek Digital just had a pension fund jumped into an investment with them, and I expect billions of dollars to follow suit with various companies trying to expose themselves to different crypto company equities, as well as different cryptos like Bitcoin, and may see with some of your bigger ones like Ethereum and Litecoin. So this is going to be something exciting to pay attention to. If it does get approved, it's definitely going to help the price of Bitcoin. Okay, so thanks for watching our show. Subscribe to our channel. We post this video twice a week. We also have tons of other content that comes out on a regular basis. Hit the notification button if you want us to send it to you directly anytime we publish new content. Check out our website at Block Nation, crusader.com/BlockNation. Check out our website at crusader.com for any blockchain business or marketing solutions. Thanks for watching. I'm your host, Drew.